More YouTube subscribers will not fix your money problem, and I'll prove it to you. Right now, you've got thousands of people who watch everything that you put out. They comment. They tell you how your videos have changed their world, and you're pulling in a few $100 on ads if you're lucky. Everyone keeps telling you that the fix is more views, more uploads, and a bigger channel. That's the wrong target. The thing you should be charging for is already sitting in your YouTube comments. You just haven't read them as an offer yet. And here's what I'm going to show you in this video. I'm going to give you 3 prompts. The first one, read your comments and hands you the exact paid community that your audience already wants. The next 2, write the email that fills it and the 1-page giveaway that builds your email list so that you never have to rely on just getting more views again. 10 minutes. We're not building a course. We're not chasing more subscribers. Let's go find the money already sitting in your channel. Let me show you how real this is before I give you anything. I work with a guy named Don. He's a professional musician. He's got a big YouTube channel and an email list that he barely touched. I told him to do one thing, send one email about a paid community that he had just opened. 5 days later, 30 people had joined and he had created about $1,000 in monthly recurring revenue from one single email in under a week. And he's over 90 paying members right now. Here's what Don had that you probably have too. An audience that already trusts him, but nothing for them to buy. And that's the whole gap that we're going to fill in this video. You're missing 3 things and you already own the hard one. 1, an audience. You've already got that. That's the hardest part. 2, somewhere to send them, an email list. 3, something to buy, a paid offer. Most people with a YouTube channel have number 1 and skip 2 and 3, and some people do it for years. I was on YouTube for 3 entire years before I figured this out. And once I had an email list and a paid offer, my business literally grew overnight. So I'm going to hand you 3 prompts that build the pieces you're missing. The first one is the one that nobody does, and it's the one that changes everything. Again, changed my business overnight. Prompt 1, find your offer. And you don't guess your offer. Your audience already wrote it for you in your comments. You just never read your comments as a business plan. Here's what I want you to do. Go to your channel, open your most popular video, the one with the most comments, copy 50 to 100 of them. It doesn't need to be perfect. Then paste them into this prompt. Read the comments. Tell me the 3 problems people repeat the most in their own words. Tell me the 1 paid community I should open, who it's for, what to charge, and the 1 line that makes them join. No theory, single best answer, ignore the junk. Hit enter and watch what comes back. Wow. There it is. The exact community to open, named and priced. Your people describing their own problem in the words you should put on your sales page. That used to take a high ticket coach and a month. Now it takes a minute and it's more honest because it comes straight from their own words. All right, now you've got the offer. Prompt 2 fills it. And this is the part that everyone is scared of. Telling your audience that the thing actually exists. So we make it dead simple for you. You stay right in the same exact chat. It already read your comments, so it knows your audience. You just give it the next prompt. It writes you 1 short email. Sounds like you, not a marketer. 1 ask, 1 link, it's under 200 words. The same kind of email that got Don the 30 members in 5 days. You send it to the list you already have, even if that list is small. And if you don't have a list yet, or it's tiny, prompt 3 fixes that. It builds you a 1-page giveaway that people get in exchange for their email, plus the exact comment to pin under your videos so your viewers raise their hand. 1 page, a win in 15 minutes. They comment a word, you send it, they're on your list. That's how the audience you already have turns into a list that you can actually email. My best ever lead magnet that added over 4,000 people to my email list was a 1-page Google document. You do not need to overcomplicate this. Step back and look at what you just built. A YouTube channel that you already had, a list those viewers opt into, and a paid community they can join. We want it to be super difficult, but that's the whole business. 3 things. You walked in already owning the hardest one, which is the audience, the attention. Here's your one move today. Don't do all 3. Open your most popular video and copy 50 to 100 comments and run prompt number 1. Just look at what your people have been telling you. That alone will change how you see your channel and the opportunity that has been sitting right under your nose for a long time. I put all 3 of these prompts into a document for you, 100% free. The link is in the description. Go grab it. And if you want to see exactly how the paid community piece works, I want you to watch this video next.